Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 29th, 2025, and we're diving into Stifel's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Stifel has reported some impressive numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Stifel reported net revenues of $1.36 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024, which is a 19% increase compared to the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth in net revenues was primarily driven by a significant increase in investment banking revenues, which rose by 48% year over year. Additionally, asset management revenues saw a 23% increase, reflecting higher asset values and net cash inflows. This robust performance contributed to a non-GAAP earnings per share of $2.23, beating the analysts' forecast of $1.97.
That's impressive. How did this impact their profitability?
Stifel's net income available to common shareholders for the fourth quarter was $234.7 million, up from $153.2 million in the same quarter last year. This translates to a diluted EPS of 2.9 cents, showcasing their strong profitability despite a challenging market environment.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How has Stifel managed its expenses this quarter?
Stifel has maintained a stable compensation ratio of 58.0% and reduced its non-compensation ratio to 21.3%, thanks to revenue growth and disciplined expense management. Their pre-tax margin improved to 20.7%, indicating effective cost control measures.
And what about their future outlook?
CEO Ronald J. Kruszewski mentioned that Stifel is well-positioned to capitalize on improving market conditions in 2025. With a strong business model and a history of profitable growth, they are optimistic about achieving their short and long-term targets.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did Stifel's different business segments perform this quarter?
The Global Wealth Management segment reported record net revenues of $865.2 million, up 13% from the previous year, driven by increased client activity and asset management revenues. The Institutional Group also saw a significant boost, with revenues rising to $478.3 million, a 33% increase year over year, primarily due to higher advisory and capital raising revenues.
And what strategic initiatives have they undertaken?
Stifel announced a 10% increase in their common stock dividend, reflecting their confidence in future cash flows. Additionally, they acquired Bryan, Garnier & Co., which will enhance their capabilities in Europe and expand their global footprint.
Key takeaways. In summary, Stifel has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter and full year 2024, with record revenues and a significant increase in earnings per share. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies have positioned them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Stifel's ability to navigate a challenging market environment and deliver such robust results is commendable. Their focus on strategic growth and operational efficiency bodes well for investors looking for long-term value.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Stifel's performance in the comments below.